In that right angle triangle, the longest side is hypotenuse, and angle opposite one is the opposite side, and remaining only one side is there. That one side is adjacent side. That are the your previous class. Then today you are learning about the ratios of trigonometry. Ratios ratios of trigonometry. Otherwise, what are the ratios means? There is a ratio means what, Nana? You are taking the some particular value into two parts or three parts. That two parts are how you calculated means in the triangle one angle is 90 degrees is there. Remaining sum of two angles are 90 degrees. So sum of the two angles are 90 degrees. But how you what is the first angle and what is the second angle? It is you can take that is 45 and 45. Yes, it is sometimes, but always it is not possible. That is the ratio. 1:1 is means that is 45 and 45 degrees, and it is 1:2 means 90 of 45 degrees, and remaining 1:2 is separated. 1:2 means what, Nana? 1:2 means 90 degrees by 3 into 1. This is first angle. 90 by 3 into second. What is 3 means? Sum of this ratio. 1 plus 2 is 3. First angle. And it is second angle. How much this? 3 ones are, it is 30. And 3, 30, it is 60. Means sum of two angles is 90 degrees means the ratio of two angles is 1:2 means that is one angle is 30, another angle is 60. 1:1 is there, then 1:1 is there means 90 by 2 into 1. Again 90 by 2 into 1. 45, 45 like that. It is 1:3, 1:4 like that. So how you simplify the ratios of the trigonometric functions means here we are taking the some 6 types of ratios. That are 6 types of ratios having the 6 in this chapter mainly some identities are there. That identities or formulas are very important. Listen it carefully. First I am taking sin e in the full name of sin theta is equal to, it is sin theta. You are simply writing sin theta, but that complete name is sin e, and cosine theta. Otherwise cos theta you are simply writing there. Then tan theta, and fourth one is cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. These are 6 types of ratios are here. 6 ratios are here. Then how to calculate the sin theta? How to calculate the cos theta? Like that 6 ratios are there. How to calculate the values of the given triangle? Each triangle angles are there. One is 90 degrees. What are the next to triangle? Next angle. Next two angles. What is the first angle size? Next to second, third angle size. How to calculate means we are taking the particular ratios in this. Then we are taking the sets based on sets. I am taking for see now here. It is very important one box. For this box gives you all formulas. What is this means? Sin, cos, tan, sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Formatted box na. It is very important box. Once you are keeping the mind this box, you are getting the all formulas in this chapter. Minimum 35 to 40 formulas are there or identities are there. 35 to 40 formulas are there. Sir, how you keep in mind means there is very simple logic box. This is that box. This six ratios I am simplifying that only this box, and in this I am taking O, A, O, H, H, A. Simple, Nana. This box keep in your mind. You are getting the all formulas or all identities. Not only these six formulas, more formulas are there. Already I said no. 35 to 40 formulas are there. Okay. Then sin, cos, tan. Simply keep in your mind. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. O, A, O, H, H, A. Once again. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. O, A, O, H, H, A. Four lines, Nana. Like your Telugu poem. Telugu poem have 4 lines of poem. There are also 4 lines. Just two. One keep in one. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, O, A, O, H, H, A. 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, here what is O star means? Opposite side. And what is A means? Adjacent side. And what is H, Nana? Already you know, hypotenuse. Okay, 6 types of ratios. Now come to this all ratios, definition part. Definition and at the same time formula also. What is the definition of tan theta? Means this formula is what, Nana? O by H. O by H. And what is the definition part of sin theta? I am writing here sin theta formula. Definition of sin theta is equal to the ratio means by, Nana. Already you know. Okay, by you can read as a ratio also. What are the ratio? Opposite and hypotenuse. The ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. This is called sin theta. Okay, Nana. Sin theta definition is O by H. Like that cos theta is called what, Nana? A by H. Can you write cos theta for definition? What is cos theta now? The ratio of adjacent side and hypotenuse is called cos theta. Like that, what is tan theta, Nana? O by A. Means what is the definition of tan theta? The ratio of opposite side and adjacent sides are called tan theta. Okay, now okay, these three are finished, sir. What about these three means? Just reciprocal thing. What means when down to read H by O. H by O means hypotenuse by opposite side. And sec theta is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. And what is cos theta? A by O. These are the definitions. No? Then you complete the all definitions here. You only complete. I am not writing here. You only write all things. Okay. Again, I am writing. Just I am drawing one right angle triangle also for your clarity purpose. A, B, C. In that A, B, C, I am taking the angle here. Angle means I am taking theta here. Based on this triangle, I am writing the sides of the triangles also here. We will draw right side of this ratios. ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఎక్కడ డ్రా చేశారన్నా ఈ రేషియోస్ కి రైట్ సైడ్ లో డ్రా చేసి ఇక్కడ రాశారు. వాట్ ఈజ్ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్? BC. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse means longest side in the triangle AC. Like that, we finish that all things. Cos theta A by H. What is A? It is opposite means it is the adjacent. That is AB by AC. Then tan theta is equal to opposite is what? Opposite one is BC. And adjacent is what? AB. Like that to finish all things now. Cosec theta is H by O means hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse AC, opposite is BC. Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent is AB. Adjacent AB and opposite BC. Okay, no? Based on taking some triangle, that triangle to I am writing all sides of the ratios, and you will complete this all definition part now. I have completed this sin theta, then you complete that all 6 ratios: cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Is it clear? Geometry is not a difficult chapter. It is very easy one. Cool ga ప్రశాంతంగా వింటే అంత ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. It is not a difficult chapter. Up to here, is it clear? ఈ టాపిక్ వరకు మీకు క్లియర్గా ఉంటే రిమైనింగ్ టాపిక్స్ కూడా ఈజీగానే ఉంటాయి. జస్ట్ ఇమేజ్ యువర్ బాక్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్. వాట్ ఈస్ tan theta? Automatically in your mind it will be rotate O by H. What is cos theta? A by H. A by H means adjacent by hypotenuse. Here carefully, in the right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, and we are given two sides, AC and BC. Two sides are given. In the two sides, to based on these two sides, to how to find out the sin C, cos C, and tan C. Then first I am writing sin C. Sin C. What is the formula? O by H. See the box. O by H means opposite by hypotenuse. But now observe the figure. Right angle triangle ఒక్కసారి ఇమేజ్ చేసుకోండి. Sin C, where is C? It is the C, means it is the angle. In that question they mentioned clearly, sin here means you are taking from angle here. Here too you are taking. But here sin C, you observe from here. Sin C means this opposite side is AB and hypotenuse what na? AC. But AB by AC, then here AB value is not there. Then how you find out? In 9th class already you find out the in right angle triangle in number line. Then find out the AB value. How means hypotenuse square is equal to AC square is equal to remaining sum of the remaining two sides, BC square plus AB square. Then substitute the values. What is AC? 13 square and BC square is equal to 5 square and AB square is not there. Then 13 square is equal to 169 is 25 plus AB square. Then AB square is equal to what now? Send it into 169 minus 25. AB square is equal to, is it 144? Square is there. Then square root of 144. Find out the square root of 144. Is it 12? Then this side is equal to 12 centimeters. Then substitute the values. AB is equal to what now? AB is equal to 12 by AC is equal to 13. Sin C is completed. Next to cos C. What is cos C? Cos C formula A by H. Adjacent is this one. This is opposite. It is hypotenuse. Means it is adjacent. Pi by hypotenuse is 13. Then tan C. Tan C is what formula? O by A. What is opposite? 12 by adjacent 5. Tan C, cos C and tan C. Is it clear? What is the right angle triangle formula? By using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem na 9th class లో వచ్చింది ఆల్రెడీ, ఒకసారి రిమైండ్ చేసుకోండి. Pythagoras theorem means hypotenuse square is equal to means longest side square is equal to longest one is equal to sum of remaining two sides. Longest side is equal to remaining two sides square. Remaining two sides square. Longest side is equal to AC square is equal to sum of remaining two sides BC plus AB. Both are square. Then substitute the all values in this. What is AC? 30 square is equal to BC square. BC, how much? 5. It is 5 now. See in the textbook. I am writing in cross section 5 centimeters. And AB, AB is not given. Then I am writing AB. I am writing here. After find out it here, we don't know the value. That's the reason. AB is not there. Leave that. And 13 square is equal to 169. 5 square is equal to 25. AB square value is not there. Then send this 25 to here. AB square is equal to 169 minus 25. Then do the subtraction. 144. Here square is there. Then it is a square root. Square root of 144 is equal to 12 centimeters. How you will get the 12? Already you know 144 is there. So 2 7 ja, 2 2 ja, 236, 218, 2 9, 3 3. 2 pairs is equal to 1. This 2 is equal to 1. Already you know the how to find out the square roots. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. Okay, Nana? It is 12 centimeters. Then here you have completed all three sides. Then write the formula sin C, cos C, tan C. Sin C formula and C opposite one. C के opposite one is 12. And hypotenuse longest side is equal to AC, that is 12, 13. And cos C means A by H. Adjacent side, it is opposite and it is hypotenuse means it is opposite, adjacent. Then 5 by 13. O by A. O by A means it is opposite, it is adjacent. 12 by 5. Is it clear? See here, you are asking sin x, cos z and tan x. First find out that this third way of one. Xz is given, yz also given, xy is not given. Then by using Pythagoras, what is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to longest side square is equal to sum of remaining two sides xy square plus yz square. Then substitute the all values. It is a formula na Pythagoras theorem. Okay, longest side is equal to sum of remaining two sides. Xz is equal to 17 square. Xy square not there, so leave it. And yz is equal to 15 square. 17 into 17. How much na? 17 into 17. 7 7 49. 7 11. 17. 9 8 2 29. Is equal to xy square is not there. 15 15 ja 225. Then transfer here. Xy square is equal to transfer here 289 minus 225. Do the subtraction now. 9 minus 5 4. 8 minus 2 6. 64. Then xy is equal to square root of 64. Square root of 64 already you know 8 centimeters. Then this value is 8 centimeters. Okay, this value is 8 centimeters. Then take the all values now. Sin x formula O by H. Which is which angle to opposite? X2. Where is X? This is X. X2 opposite is 15. Adjacent longest side is 17. Then cos Z. Cos Z formula A by H. Z adjacent. Z కి adjacent కావాలి. Z కి adjacent. Z opposite one this one. Adjacent is this one. So adjacent 15 by hypotenuse already there same one 17. Third one tan x. Tan x formula O by A. X opposite 15 and x adjacent is a tan x cos it tan x. Tan x cos it tan x. Is it clear?